Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you the products that I picked up from Hermes Beauty, and I'm gonna give you the first impressions. This video is in collaboration with Fontaine. She has a luxury channel just like this one. She makes great videos, and she also picked up a few items from the collection. So if you want to compare to see which one you would like best and see different views of the same product, I suggest that after this video you go and see hers. I will be leaving all the information in the description box below. If at the end of this video you found my review helpful, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. It will help me to bring more videos like this of doing luxury makeup reviews and first impressions. So without further ado, let's get started. From the entire collection, I've picked up two items. One is a blush. This is number 19 in Rose Apricot, and then I have a lipstick number 17 in Beige et Bluey. In the packaging, in the outer packaging, you can see that there's an opening for the blush and also for the lipstick, where you can see the signature orange color from Hermes. Now this box right here is made from untreated paper, made from recycled fibers. So right there, Hermes gets a plus. This is the way it looks. It comes in a signature orange box, and this is the blush. It looks like this. And now let's take a look at the lipstick. The lipstick comes in a sleeve. It's a very strong material. The beautiful packaging from this collection was designed by the same person. His name is Pierre Hardy, and he is a French designer who specializes in footwear. So it was the first time that Pierre and Hermes embarked in designing beauty products. Let's start with the lipstick. This one, it's number 17, and you can see how beautiful the packaging is. And it also has the Hermes emblem. It's magnetic, which is always a plus. And it also shows the Hermes logo inside. So overall, I feel that this is a very luxe product. It's heavy, not too heavy that it would weigh down your bag, but it's heavy enough. It feels very luxe. Now we're gonna try it on for the first time. This is a beautiful color that feels very comfortable on the lips. I do feel that it might not be as long lasting as I would hope, but I have to do a wear test on it. I haven't done it. This is my first time. But it is described in the website as the amber caress of warm sand. This has 3.5 grams of product, and it also comes with the option to buy a refill. So if you like a certain packaging, you can exchange it to any color you want, and they are sold separately. Now let's move on with the blush. This blush, the first thing I noticed is that in the box, in the white box that I showed you before, it says that it is made in Italy. However, when you go into the website, it says that it's made in France, just like the lipsticks. So I'm not really sure where the discrepancy is. The website says one thing and the packaging says another. So I'm not really sure if it was made in Italy or if it was made in France. This is very simple and very elegant packaging. It has the emblem here, and it's white here, and when you turn it around, it has a metal. It's like brush metal. However, one thing that I noticed is that all the information is on a sticker. I would have hoped that since this is an Hermes product, that it would be embedded into the metal and not necessarily on a sticker. This shade is described as a velvety orange pink, like a ripe apricot in a ray of sunlight. So they really took the time to describe the products, and it makes me feel so good that they look at details like that. This is a semi-matte finish. It says in the website that it is fine, silky, long-lasting, luminous, radiant complexion. So we're gonna see about that very soon. I'm just gonna press and see. Well, because of the color of the brush, you can't really see, but let's see how much it comes out. Okay, so then I'm gonna just sweep. Oh, here we go. I think it's very nice and it's not patchy. And it's perfect for people who like that everyday look and who are not comfortable with wearing very strong blusher. And let's see if we can build it up. This is definitely a color for every day. Very pretty. Like the lipsticks, these are also refillable. They have a hole in the back, and with a little utensil that I've seen the other people got, but I'm not really sure why I didn't. You poke, so I'm gonna use a paper clip to poke it, and then the blush will come out. I want to show you what happens because I think that this is very interesting and not really in a good way. So once you take it out, it's a little hard, and let me show you this. This is what the inside looks like. It turns out that the magnetic part of the blusher, it's only in the outside, so you can close it and open it, not to hold the actual blusher. And this is the way that it looks on the back. On one hand, I'm really happy that Hermes has found a way to make refillable products because it's less wasteful, therefore it's better for the environment. However, this I really find unacceptable. What happens when you want to switch pans, this glue is gonna be stuck in the packaging of the refill, and then this is gonna stay here. If you are buying just one full one and you want to get 3 or 4 more and exchange it often, you're not gonna be able to do that because this is gonna wear out and it's very messy at the end. This is a big disappointment for me because I only purchased one with the intention, if I like the formula, to buy several colors and exchange them. But that is not going to happen because it's really hard to take out and the glue is not gonna be there until the product is finished. So the only solution that I see to this problem would be to buy one of those magnetic sheets and put it together and glue it in one end, and then it will stick. However, this is an Hermes product and I shouldn't have to do that. I should be able to just use the product, exchange it, just like other brands such as Natasha Denona and VCR, that they are magnetic in the bottom. So technically you are able to buy the refills, but because of the way that they put the product together, it's forcing you to buy the product with the packaging every single time. I still have to play with the formula to see if I like it or not because this is the first time that I use it, but I do have to say that even if I like the formula, in my opinion, I don't know if I would purchase more colors in the refill form because I won't be able to use it. What I want is to be able to exchange it in an easy way, user-friendly manner. And I find that to exchange it is not happening. Now with the lipstick, I have to say they really knocked it out of the park. This is a beautiful product. It's very well made, and especially with the magnetic, and it feels very luxe. This is a little too light from what I was expecting. It's not bad. It's nice, but I feel that if they would have added a magnetic bottom right here, two things would have happened. One, it would have added weight, therefore it would have felt more luxe, and second, it would have been so much easier to exchange the colors. And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Lasting luminous radiance 3.5 Pierre Hardy. Be less wasteful, like the lips